Chama people, wonders they say shall never end. Omo, I rewatched this Regina Daniels traditional marriage with Nwoko as at 2019. I shake my head. I see Omo. Is it that Nwoko wasn't that rich as at 2019, or because I'm not understanding this type of marriage? How would Regina Daniels marry a very young, vibrant girl, a Nollywood superstar as at then, be shown or be thrown like this? This looks like a normal marriage of all these poor, this thing. Nobody is poor actually, but I'm trying to analyze something. Look at Nwoko. Here, he doesn't even look like he had money. Do you understand? If only Regina had waited a little bit longer with her hard work, I believe that she would have gotten herself a very young billionaire. But anyways, they say that everyone has their own man. Maybe Nwoko, our billionaire Nwoko, is her man. You never can tell. But this video, this is a throwback of Regina Daniels' marriage.
This is the prime minister of Unigwe. You don't have to come out here.
Ladies and gentlemen, you are blocking the latest and the newest couple in the universe. Please,
Don't talk like off your phone.
Yes, officers, please, don't be phones. We don't need too many phones there, please. If you're having Samsung, you are permitted. Infinix, you are permitted.